What's going on, everybody? Yes, we're in my garage, and if you want to know why, it's because I want to show you how I have outfitted my kayak for fishing. So if you want to find out what I did, and if you want to see what I did, go ahead and stay tuned, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and let's take a look. Okay, so please ignore the mess in my garage. I am a dude, and that's it. So here's my kayak. I've actually had this kayak for a while. I found it on Let Go or on OfferUp, I forget which one. But I found it on one of those platforms for $200. It did not have that seat. I actually just purchased that seat online, but I'll go to the front and show you what I did. Not very much, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do in the future. So what I added was this mount for the rod holder, and this little black mount right here actually came with it. They both came together, and then a third piece actually came with it to mount to a like a handrail and stuff like that. Obviously I don't need that for this, so I haven't used it, but this is from Ozark Trail, which I believe is a Walmart brand, and Walmart is actually where I got that. And so I just put it on with some stainless steel marine screws, and I sealed it with just the spray Flex Seal, and it seems to be doing just fine. You can do like marine grade sealant or caulking or whatever it is you want to use. I didn't feel necessary to do that. So I also added this here, which is for obviously what you can see. It's to hold the paddle, so when I just want to drop anchor and fish, I don't have to have the paddle across my lap, although that works too. I just don't want to do it. And so that's a convenient spot for it, and so I put it there on the side. My cleats just came in. This is what I'm going to use to tie the anchor off to. I am going to make an anchoring system, which will be a pad eye here. I haven't decided if it's going to be on the right or left side, but I'll put a pad eye here, and then I'll put a pad eye in the back. I'm going to have some rope like this that is going to go from the front to the back in a loop, and then I'll be able to pull the rope to move the anchor to the front or to the back or to the middle. I know it's hard to think about the way that I explained it, but I will do a video when I add the anchoring system. I already bought all the stuff for it, and so I will put that on here, and when I do, I'll record a video. And so if you want to watch that video, obviously hit the notification bell, like this video, subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. Now, I told you this came with a different seat. The seat that this came with, I'm sorry Pelican, but the seat that you guys put on this is garbage. And so I took it off. You can see that's where it was attached to. I just cut it off, and I added this one. As I said in the catfish video, I have 5 herniated discs, and so I need a comfortable seat. This seat is really, really comfortable. I was using a stadium seat, that seat right up there. I was using a stadium seat, and it was just sliding all over the place. I didn't want to drill a ton of holes in the boat, and so I added these pad eyes here. Stainless steel, one there, one there, one there, one over there. And it is comfortable. And so I can be on the kayak for hours at a time without getting up and not have a lot of problems with my lower back. I do wish this seat was a little thicker, just because of the back issues that I have. But if I didn't have those back issues, that seat would probably do well for the average person. Oh, look at that. I picked this baby up today. I'm gonna add it to a rod that I got from my brother, which if you want to check his channel out, he does a lot of camping, survival, cooking, EDC type reviews and things like that. And so if you're into that stuff, go to the Sweet Outdoors. I'll link it below. And also, if you like travel videos, just because I gotta do the plug for my wife, you can go to Travel Nurse Missa, and I will link hers in the description as well. You'll be seeing her in a lot of my videos as well, because she's gonna get herself a kayak here at some point. This is the anchor that I got. I don't know how heavy it is. It's 3 pounds. This is a 3-pound anchor. I was gonna go with a 5, but I'm not sure that I need it in where I'm going to be yakking. And so this will be the anchor that's attached to a rope that will be slid up and down the kayak through a pulley system. So basically I added that right now, this I'll be adding one on either side. I got that seat and I got the anchor, and then I put this on there because it obviously doesn't come with rod holders, and so I had to put one on there. And if I wanted to get a second rod holder, that way I can have this one here at all times and then one there at all times, I could do that because these rod holders attach via a Scotty mount. Even though this is not a Scotty mount brand, it's built exactly the same way. And so, quick video on how I outfitted the kayak. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a basic kayak like I have, there are some things that you can do that's not very expensive to outfit your kayak for fishing. If you have any ideas on how I can outfit my kayak, leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'm thinking about doing outriggers, but as I mentioned before, no rod holders. I know a lot of people, when they build their outriggers, their pontoons or whatever on the side, they use the pre-existing rod holders, which I don't have, and I don't want to drill more holes into the boat. So if you have a different idea to where I don't have to do that, I would take your suggestion in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You guys are amazing. Trying to get to 500 subscribers by 4th of July. That gives us just over a month. And so let's see if we can get there. If any subscribers are gonna do it, it's you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.